This is an overview on how to replace the ADF maintenance kit on the M4345 from Hewlett-Packard. Everything you see on the top of the document feeder right here will be inside this box right here where it says HP ADF maintenance kit. So the main thing you're going to get is some clear mylar strips inside here, which we'll show in a little bit, your main pickup roller and separation roller, and then your separation pad. So where you're going to install these is all inside this kit here. So the first thing you're going to do is lift open this tray, and inside here you can see, first thing you can see is this separation pad right here. This is going to lift out by pinching this piece at the bottom where you see the darker yellow here. You can actually pinch this with your fingers and just lift straight up, and it'll pop and come straight out. So you can see it lifted out. You'll take the new one and you'll insert the new one back down inside at an angle. So you're going to come down at an angle like this, and there's a little tip right here. You want to make sure that ends up in that hole there. So it's going to go down, and then you're just going to push down till you hear it click. And as long as you see that there and you heard it click and it's in place, you should be okay. The next thing is going to be this roller kit right here. This little tab here you want to squeeze down, and then this drawer will open up. And then this comes out by basically, you want to pull it back. It'll stop when you pull it straight back. And you want to bring it out at an angle like this and then out. So this is going to come out at about a 30-degree angle. There's little pins right there you can see. So this pops out, and then this lifts sideways and uncouples from this side here. You can see this little gear tip on here. So this little flathead tip. So the replacement is the reverse of the little process. You're going to go in. The only thing you might have to do is watch. You might have to look in this little hole here to see how this lines up to get it to go in properly. Once it's in, you just want to snap the left side back in then, or the side facing you. Push this back up into place and close this door up. And then you've replaced the two main components inside the document feeding assembly. The final piece is going to be the mylar strip. There's a plastic tab here and a tab down here at the bottom. When you squeeze both of these, this will open, and you can see the strip right here. The easiest thing to do is just completely pull straight back and take this piece off. The piece will come off. There's 4 little tabs here that hold it in place. When you go to put the new one on, there is a notch, which might be a little hard to see. Let's see if I can highlight it. There's a little pin right here, and there's a notched piece on this plastic right here. And you want to basically make sure that notch is lined up with that little cutout there, and that's how you know you have this on right. So you get all 4 of the little clips over where the openings were on it, and then you snap this back on the pin post here and the one up here. And same thing, you should hear it click when it goes in to know it's in place properly. So, and once it's in, you just close it. It'll snap shut. Close the lid, and that's how you replace the physical pieces on the Hewlett-Packard M4345 maintenance kit. The final thing you need to do is to then clear out the maintenance kit message on the machine itself. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down to the word administration, choose it, and then scroll down to the word resets. Once you're in resets, scroll down to reset supplies, and then choose new document feeder kit. You'll be prompted for a yes/no response. Choose yes. Choose save. It'll tell you that the setting's been saved. From here, you're going to hit the home button and go back to the main page. And this is how you replace the physical pieces as well as reset the maintenance kit on the Hewlett-Packard M4345.